At the local level, it's important to remember that members of the military are also members of the communities that are affected by this storm. North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, and Georgia are all home to well-known military bases and installations. And the Secretary of Defense has given authority for life-saving and life-sustaining actions in order to make DoD capabilities immediately available, and local commanders are proactively positioning forces and equipment to be ready. At the state level, National Guard units, whether Army or Air, under the authority of their governors, are ready to respond to the individual and oftentimes neighboring states' needs. Along with FEMA, state governors, and the National Guard, DoD is responding robustly. National Guard commanders have the experience and understanding to lead our forces for this kind of mission, and they have my complete confidence and support. As we see the storm coming in, even though it's degraded to a Cat 2, we see because of the length of time it's going to be on the coast and the heavy rainfall that will happen, we do think the flooding, the storm surge combination together will be a very difficult challenge to overcome. And so the search and rescue is probably the first and foremost response that we'd be looking at, but it's not the only response we're looking at. It's just that temporarily will be incredibly important to have those assets available, not on a generation in 24 hours, but immediately available. And that's why under Secretary Mattis's authority, we were able to push those forward and have them ready for immediate response.